So you want proof that I'm the best driver out of everyone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who watches Top Gear? Just kind of cruising along. 119.9.
All right, guys, here we go. We're going to do a hot lap with BMW professional drivers.
They got to play at the roar and find out from the drivers at hand. First of all, what was that wait like for you guys? As you're out 12-round pole and runs brand spanking.
Yeah, it was definitely challenging, but the Brian Hart Auto Sport guys did an awesome job of getting us the car.
All right, here's our ride in M5 CS. Fastest car BMW's ever made.
The setup dialed in really quickly, and yeah, we were able to put it on hold.
Wow.
How was it?
Oh, a run.
What was the wait
How's
like?
it going?
You guys
How you doing?
All right, if I video?
Sure.
I'm Chuck. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Chuck. I'm Paul.
These are all M5s?
M3, two M3s, and this is an M5.
M5. Okay.
Yeah. Tell us about the engine.
So this is the better car.
Yeah, this is the CS, so it's a 640 horsepower,
640.
4-liter twin turbo hot V V8, and it's 250 pounds lighter than the normal M5 with about another 35 horsepower. But of course, we've wrecked that because we filled it with people.
Yeah, and then turn the air conditioning on.
So yeah, it's like there goes that extra, all that weight savings. But it's a pretty impressive car.
Will you talk us through the track and tell us what turn we're on and
Sure.
kind of the
We're
approach
just
to it?
getting. We just crossed start finish, and we're heading towards turn 1.
Yeah.
And turn 1 is kind of opens into some S's. So it's a pretty interesting corner because you can stay pinned all the way through here, but you're kind of working, trying to keep the car tidy. And then this is the turn 3. This is the first horseshoe, right?
Yeah.
Decreasing radius, nice little bit of rotation there.
Feel that.
And then this is the kink, which is strangely enough about 105 miles an hour at the apex. And then turn 5, which is a decreasing radius right-hand corner. See, the track's pretty narrow, actually, through the infield. Like, there's not a lot of width here. By the way, we're not allowed to pass, so I'm stuck. Right. And then this is turn 6, which leads on to the banking, which takes us down towards the bus stop.
I just cannot believe we're going this fast.
Just kind of cruising along.
Wow, the compression is amazing.
Yeah.
And what do you call this, the bus stop?
This is the bus stop.
Woo!
So make sure you got a bus pass. That's the first thing, right?
I love it. Great. I love the curves.
You got to think about like doing this for 24 hours.
I can't.
In the rain, at night.
Woo! So what was our peak speed, do you think?
119.9, because I'm not allowed to go over 120.
Ah, I like that. That's exactly what we just saw. That was so cool. Thank you so much. And tell me your name again.
Paul Gerard.
Paul, and what's your background? Are you a professional race car driver?
Yeah, I've raced kind of my whole
'Cause
life.
I know Matt Mullins and the other character,
I know Matt.
character up there.
Super
so.
well, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much for the ride. The ride. Kicked ass. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jones.
My pleasure.
Woo! Oh my God, what a ride.
How's the fast race car? How fast can it be in this 1-hour race?
What a ride.
You know, we were struggling with those damn conditions all week. Damn cold. I'm sure the fans have been in but I have it in the that would be a little nicer. But the auto car, it likes the sunshine. It's an LA Honda.
So you want proof that I'm the best driver out of everyone?
Yeah. What do we got?
Who watches Top Gear?
I would assume all of us, right?
All right. I was the Stig on Top Gear for 8 years.
There you go.